Okay, Junior, let's get the train together now, okay?
Train time.
Oh, yeah. Time for the train.
Hold on to Spencer's waist. That's it. Cheryl, you hold on
Baby, come at
to
me,
Junior's waist.
I'll be right
Come on
behind.
out. Come on out.
Beba,
Cheryl.
Beba.
Cheryl.
One of the train cars is in the barrel.
Cheryl. Oh, there
Here
she
we
is.
have another
There's
car.
another train car.
Hold on to
Here we
Junior.
go.
Can I be a train car too?
Yes. As a matter of fact, you can be the caboose.
Oh,
I think you better
boy.
move the train forward a little bit.
Move the train forward a little bit.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
good.
right
Whoa,
here.
whoa,
Right behind me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to make the sound of the train.
Oh, you're good at that. How does he
Blow
do
the
that?
whistle, Spencer. Okay.
Here goes the train.
Here we go. Slower. Slower, Spencer. Come on. Slower, number 21. I can't keep up with you, Spencer. That's it. Old engine number 21. Now we gotta go around the corner, because we gotta pick up some cars, and we gotta stop. We gotta stop. Okay, we've got 2 more cars on the train.
Adding cars to the train.
Hold on. Blow the whistle. And here we go through the tunnel. Through the tunnel.
Through the tunnel.
Slowly, slowly. Gotta go through the tunnel. It's really dark. You can't see where we're going.
I can't find the way out.
Watch your step. Wait a second. The train's falling apart.
Wait for the train.
Hold on. You gotta hold
Good thing
on.
we're coasting. You can catch up and
Stop, stop,
rehook.
stop. And we gotta pick up some more. We gotta pick up 2 more cars.
2 more cars to the train.
And you gotta hold on. Come on, get back on the train. Hold
Hold on
on.
tight. Here we go.
Hold on, here we go. Now we gotta go real slow. Renee, hold on. All right. Now we gotta go up the mountainside.
Oh.
Up the mountainside. Hold on, Renee. Up the mountainside. Now follow Spencer, Junior. Follow Spencer. No, the train can't go in there. Now we gotta go down the mountainside.
The caboose is waiting at the bottom.
You
Keep
gotta
going,
move up
I'll
a little
catch
bit,
up.
Spencer. Hold on, come on. Come on, Big Bird. Train's going too fast.
Wow. That's the fastest express I was ever on.
Oh, that was a great train.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were good, too.
Anybody want a hug from the caboose?
Oh, boy.
Mm.